Hello, my prepper posse. We're getting ready to go into storage this morning, as I promised. I'll take you in with us and show you what we got going on. It's early. We're going to try to get this stuff done. I love these garage doors because you just pull your truck in and you can load and it locks you in so that nobody bothers you. It's a great storage unit. Alright, it's kind of scary because these hallways, it's like red room. But this is the first one that we got. I wanted to show you guys how much stuff we got in here. And we rearranged it yesterday so we can make more room to put more stuff in. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Ah! So you see all the Halloween and whatnot. Oh, yeah. Let me back up. Alright, so this is number one. So we come around the corner, and this is the number two one that we got. This is what we're doing today. We're going to clean all this out and try to condense. So I'm just showing you. This is what we did for 7 days. Loading and unloading. Look at all this. So all of this we're going to work on today. This one, yeah. So you know what we're doing. And then we got another one, luckily, close, right next door, or 2 doors down from it, in this hallway. And this is number 3. And this is the one we're going to empty today. So all of this is going to be empty. Okay. Yay. I haven't walked down for the lights to go on, I guess. There we go. So all this is what we're emptying today. They have wonderful carts out here too. So anyway, that's what we're doing today, all day. And then tomorrow is Wednesday, so everything that we want to take out with us, more stuff, to the flea market tomorrow morning, we'll show you tomorrow when we get there, because we're going to start setting up more of the store. Hope everybody's having a great day. Don't forget to play. See you!